This is the strut coil spring compressor that I used through the loaner tool program in Advanced Auto, where you buy it, but then you save your receipt, and when you take it back intact, they refund your money. So this is the tool, pretty hefty. Goes in, it's got its own case. Then these two safety cables snap into place there. And it has this foam thing. I don't know what the purpose of that is, but it goes on there like that. And it's ready to go. It's a Hit 91. Worked awesome for me. So these new replacement struts for the BMW E39 are from Bilstein. And of course, there's a few differences about them. The nut they give you is larger than the original stock. The original stock nut is a 21. This is I think it's a 22. And also the socket inside the shaft is different. The stock shaft used a 6mm, but the Bilstein now shifted to 8. Not a big deal, except I was using my 13/16 spark plug socket to take the stock nut off. It fit pretty snugly, and it had this hex on the outside. I could grab it with a wrench, like a 19. I didn't have a spark plug socket for this size, so I'm just using the existing stock nut. Luckily, it's the same threads, so you can use the spark plug socket on the nut, and you can take the 8mm Allen key to go inside and hold the strut shaft, and then you can hold that while you tighten the nut like that. And so that's worked pretty good. I think they make a special shock or a strut tool, but I didn't have it, so this is what I ended up using. Worked great. Although I did use the stock nut because I don't have a spark plug for this one. Spark plug socket that fits that. So here's the spring compressor that I got from the Advanced Auto Loaner tool program. I've got the spring compressed, and I'm clocking the coil to the base here, and now I'm relieving the pressure. You can use an impact wrench, but I think it would act too fast. I think you have to be kind of careful not to exceed the spring, because it'll actually go into a bind the opposite direction. So these are safety cables. I want to do the same thing on the other one.